Hello, welcome to Nyika Clinic Management System. So this is my backend code, and I decided to arrange my code in folders. So the CSS, so I put my styles in one folder, the main dashboard in one folder, the database, my JavaScript, patients, and things like that. So basically, Nyika Clinic Management System is a clinic management system where we are digitizing the storage of data. So instead of using the traditional filing system, I'm writing, I'm developing a data-driven website that stores this information digitally for the clinic and allows the administrator to manage the data from the website. So the first page when you go onto Nyika Clinic is the landing page. So basically it has some HTML code. The only interesting thing about this folder is that the moment, so you can navigate to the gallery and then you can navigate to an about us page and the home page, and all this is in the landing page. So if you click on about us, you're taken to the landing page, which is about.html. So yes, so these are the four. So it has its own styling, images, has its own JavaScript as well, and about page, the gallery page, and the index page. So that's about it. And when you log in, you are taken to this login page, and the first page that you go on to is the login.php. And login.php basically has a form that allows you to type in your username and your password. And the moment you click on login, you are taken to the login backend. And in this code, so if we set username and password, the first we have to protect the database from SQL injection, and then we are also encrypting the password with MD5, and this is PHP validation basically. But I also have some JavaScript validation for them for the login form. Yes, so if you put in the correct credentials, you are taken to the main dashboard. If you don't put in the correct credentials, you are not taken to, so you stay on the same page and then you're told that incorrect username and password. And this was the validation for the login form, which also shows some regular expressions. Yes, and that's about the login page. And then, so when you log in, you are taken to the main dashboard first because you're logging in as an admin. And the main dashboard basically has some codes that showing the main dashboard. You can view drugs, you can view patients, and you can also register users. And this is basically code that is echoing all this information from the database to enable the admin to view all this information. And then, so in the main dashboard, let's say you click on you come and then you click on the maybe the drugs folder, but you click on the drug, the view drugs link, right? You're taken to this drugs link, and then this will be your landing page. It's basically doing the same thing that the main dashboard is doing, but the most interesting thing about it is that you can add, you can delete, you can, so if it's set, if you can save the information, and you can also delete. The same thing is for employees, and this is a folder that contains all the errors. And I also have my test, so I called it crude test, right? So if I come here and then I run the crude test, you can see that I had 7 tests and 7 assertions. So now to the, so this, I use PHP my admin for my database, and this is my database, drugs, employees, patients, and it also has users. So if I click on so this is the landing page for the clinic, and I used Bootstrap for the responsiveness. And so this is the home page, And then you can also click on the About Us page to know more about us as the clinic and what we do. And also on pages, you can view the gallery to see what the clinic has been up to. And yes, so they can only log into the system if you are an admin. So at first, I'm going to check for all empty fields to show my JavaScript validation. And then next, I will check for wrong password. So I'll type in a correct username, and then I'll type in, so this is regex for a password. And then I'm also going to type in correct regex, but wrong username, so wrong password. Then it tells you that wrong username and password. But I'm going to log in with the correct credentials as an admin of the clinic. And I'm taken to the main dashboard. And this is the main dashboard. And I have view employees. So if I click on view employees, I can see all the employees in the clinic. I can edit, I can delete, I can add. I also have view patients. I can edit, I can delete, I can add. I also have view drugs. I can edit, I can delete, I can add. So let's say I want to edit this drug, cotrimoxazole. I'm going to put a lot of ease so that you see the update. See, it's updated. And then let's say I want to maybe delete this record. This is JavaScript validation. See, it's gone. It was record number 16. It's gone. And also if I want to add, so I can put drug ID 18, drug name, I'll call this test 4, manufacturer test 5, number available 5,000, payment status free, drug type depressant. So it's drug ID 18, test 4, test 5. If I click on save, it's added. Yes, so this is basically, and then because I am an admin, I can also register users, and it also has JavaScript validation, same validation with the login. An interesting thing about this, if I try to log in with a username that is already taken and an email address that is already taken, and then try to log in to try to register, it should say username or email already exists. So this is now PHP validation. So I'm going to register with a user that has not been registered before, gmail.com. I'll type in the correct password, BLH2030, and then so I'm now signing up. Oh, okay. So username. So the David is already in the system. So I'll put Tariro and email address tari@gmail.com. Password my keyboard. So if I click on register, exactly, it should say registration successful, and then it should take me to the login. And then I logged in with the correct credentials. It takes me back. And then if I log out, it should take me to the home page. Thank you very much.